Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Manzoor Ahmad Sheikh from GHS Wilgam. It's class 7th, subject geography. And today's topic is interior of the earth, and it is also the name of this chapter. Earth is made up of several layers in the same way as is made in the same way as an onion. As you see that onion is made up of different layers. In the same way, earth has different layers, and the topmost layer is the crust, the second one is the mantle, and the third one is the core. The uppermost layer is called crust, and this crust is up to 35 kilometers thick in the dry region, or we may say the area of the earth having land, and that forms land is the crust constitutes up to 35 kilometers. Up to 35 kilometers it is crust, and it is only 5 kilometers in the oceans. When we go in the oceans, the crust is only 5 kilometers in width, in depth. This crust constitutes up to the 35 kilometers. It constitutes, or it consists of two minerals, that is silica and alumina and silica. So it is also called a shale layer. Actually, what is shale? Shale, as you it is Si, the symbol of silica, and Al, the symbol of alumina. So it forms shale layer. It is called shale layer. These are actually two symbols, silica, Si, and Al, aluminium. So this forms the shale layer. And in the ocean layer, it consists of silica and magnesium. सिलिका, ये जो लैंड है वहाँ पे जो क्रस्ट है 35 किलोमीटर्स हैं, और ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूट का, इसमें दो मिनरल्स आते हैं, एक तो सिलिका और दूसरा एल्युमिनियम, और इनके जो फार्मूला हैं, यानी कि इनका जो सिंबल है Si एंड Al, ये बनाता है शेल लेयर. और ओशन में यहाँ पे दो में और मिनरल्स, एक तो सिलिका है, सेम एज दैट इन द this on this land or dry area. It consists of silica, and it consists another mineral that is known magnesium. So the symbol of silica, that is Si, and symbol of Ma, actually if we will go on the formula or symbol, magnesium is having Mg as symbol. According to that, it should be SiMg, but it is SiM. That means it is having two alphabets of magnesium, first two alphabets of magnesium and first two magnesium alphabets of silica. Same is the here case. Although aluminium is having the symbol Al and silica Si, so if we will see, it is having both first two alphabets of silica and its first two alphabets of aluminum. It forms same, but here it is the first two alphabets of silica and first two alphabets of magnesium, so it forms symbol here. So it does not depend upon the this alphabets. It depends upon the first two alphabets of silica and magnesium, not the formula or symbols of magnesium silica. The second one is mantle. It is from 35 kilometers onwards. When we go down into the depth, it is now 2,900 kilometers in depth. That means from 35 kilometers, when we go 2,900 kilometers down, that layer constitutes the mantle. That is from 35 kilometers onwards, mantle starts, and it is 2,900 kilometers in depth, below the crust. Below the crust lies the mantle. It consists of two metals, that is nickel and iron. And the first two symbols alphabets of nickel is Ni, this form Ni, and as we know the first two symbols of iron is Ir, but here it is the symbol of iron, symbol of iron formula that is the symbol of iron is Fe. Scientifically the symbol of iron is Fe, so it forms knife. Here symbol has been used, so this is the knife layer, because the mantle consists of nickel and iron, and their formula symbols form knife layer. And below mantle lies the core. So core has a width of about 3500 kilometers or 3500 kilometers. That is from 2000 kilometers. First going 35 kilometers below, then going 2900 kilometers below, then that means from 2935 kilometers below starts the core. There are two layers of core, that is inner core and outer core. The first layer, that is outer core, and then starts the inner core. Then starts the inner core, and it is up to the width of 3500 kilometers. That means the width of core is 3500 kilometers. The width of mantle is 2900 kilometers, and crust is 35 kilometers. I will show you here that it is crust from this to this, it is 35 kilometers. Then onwards, from 30 kilometers onwards, it is mantle, and it is 2900 kilometers. That means up from 36 onwards up 2900 kilometers, it is mantle, and then after reaching 35,000, when it reaches 35,000 kilometers, it is 3500 kilometers onwards, it is mantle. It is mantle, or it is having the depth this 3500 kilometers. Now this core is of two types, that is outer core and inner core. Outer core, and that means the top layer of this core is called outer core, and below this it is called the inner core. With this we came to know that interior of the earth is actually divided into three most parts, that is outermost layer is crust. It consists of silica and alumina. The second layer is mantle. It consists of nickel and iron, and it is about a depth of 2900 kilometers. The innermost layer, that is core, and core is further divided into two layers, that is outer core and inner core. With this we complete today's topic. Have a nice day. Thank you.